How to create with Advanced CSS Grid with Wix Studio. So if you want to do that, what we can do is we can just head over and then click on a particular element that we want to create with Advanced CSS Grid. On this case, I'll choose in here this element onto our screen, and then just click onto this icon right here that should open the inspector. Now click onto this design option, and then from in there, just scroll down until we reach the layouts option. So just scroll down until you can find it right around here. If you do have the types of you can head over and then make sure to apply that right around here. Click onto this Learn How option, and it should be able to redirect us to this particular part. So in order to do this, we just need to use in here some classes, and we need the codes for the custom CSS that we want to apply. So you need to be knowledgeable in coding in order to utilize this particular feature. So that's how you create with Advanced CSS Grid with Wix Studio. Hope we helped.